being an air handling manufacturer, you can't just be good at building and designing air handling units. Because if you can't get them in one piece to the place that they need to be, what difference does it make? It could be the most perfect, high efficient unit in the world, but if it doesn't get to the client in one piece, then it's no good. So, and AIR2O's history, we've been faced with complex challenges in logistics from day one. We had to move, we delivered units into 22 countries around the world. And we've had to become experts at logistics by land, sea, and air. And we have great logistic partners. One, where we don't do this on our own. We have a huge network of logistic partners that help us, and some pretty specialist partners as well. There was a time we did a project in Canada. It was one of those push the envelope projects. It was a data center build. It was a rapid time scale, and it was of a technology that hadn't been tested before. But it was really a proof of concept for this end user. But we had to do it in record time. The only way to do that was to fly units in. We were not daunted by that when they asked us if we could do it. We'd never done it before, but we said, we've never done it, but we know we can get this done. We contacted our partners. We worked with the logistics teams here at AIR2O, and we chartered an Antonov heavy lift aircraft, one of the largest aircrafts in the world. And we chartered it for 5 dedicated flights. And we were able to deliver some of the largest equipment built delivered in the US. We were able to load that, deliver that in about 8 weeks' time with these 5 dedicated heavy lift flights from the Antonov team. And we've got projects in the past where we've had to get products from Southeast Asia to London, for example. Now, traditionally, that would go on a vessel, right? We'd put that on a container ship, and it would take 4 weeks, and it would ship, through the Suez Canal and then into London. And that's great when the shipping system is working, but there was a problem. The Suez Canal was closed, and this was a mission-critical project that had to be there. Well, our team didn't stop. We found a route on rail. We had a direct rail from Southeast Asia all the way through Asia, Russia, Mongolia, into Europe, under the tunnel, and then into London. But we got the product there in 2 weeks. So we'd never done that before, but we managed to do it. And equally on land moves in the US, we've worked with some great partners here in Phoenix, in Arizona, that help us move, some pretty big equipment. We need, road escorts, pilot cars, road route surveys, and really a kind of white glove approach. Some of these units cost upwards of $1 million, and it's a pretty significant investment for one unit. And we want to make sure that when that unit leaves here and it travels 3,000 miles across the US, that it arrives in exactly the same condition that it left. So we trust a lot in our partners. But ultimately, the team here at AIR2O, along with our logistic partners, have the knowledge to be able to move anything, anywhere, at any time.